So how many have joined the meeting? 9 only. Let's see. Let's wait for another minute.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Board is clear. Good morning. Board is clearly visible.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. So yeah, we are doing the chapter triangles, properties of triangles.
It's a property of triangle.
We started the second exercise of the chapter.
No, sir, we have done in question number 11 of exercise 14th A.
Okay.
14, 15th A.
Okay. We have done till question number 11. 12th one we have
Yes,
not.
sir.
We have to do the 12th one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see question number 12. Question 12. There is a figure given in that question. This type of figure. It is a triangle ABC and there is a line DE parallel to BC. Okay.
Sir, we have done this question.
We have done
Yes, sir.
in the last class. And we have discussed,
Yes, sir.
we have also discussed these question number 13, 14, 15. These were to be done in the book. Have we discussed these questions also? 13, 14, 15?
No, no, sir.
We have done 12th one.
Yes, sir.
You have not done it in your copy?
Sir, I think that if she is right, so I have not done.
Others? What about others? Have you all done 12th
Sir,
one?
I have done 12 question.
You have done 12th one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we will now do the 13th one. We have already done 12. Let us discuss question 13, 14 and 15. These are to be done in the book only. Question 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So take out your books, all of you. Be with your books and copies. I hope you all are sitting with your books and copies. Okay. So now question 13. Write the answers in the book. Can a triangle have two right angles? Can a triangle have two right angles? Then we make a triangle which has two right angles. The answer is no. Why no?
No,
Because
sir.
in a triangle,
Sir,
it
because
means
all the
In a triangle, if two angles are 90, that means the sum of two angles will be 180. And if we count the third angle also, then the sum will become more than 180. So, or the third angle should be 0. But in a triangle, no angle can be 0. So therefore, a triangle with two right angles is not possible. Okay, so answer is no. Okay, second one, two obtuse angles. Can a triangle have two obtuse angles? Two obtuse
No,
angles
sir.
means two angles greater than 90. So if you add two obtuse angles, that means both are greater than 90. If you add them, the sum will be more than 180. Okay, if only the sum of only two angles will be more than 180. So this is not possible. You cannot have a triangle where the sum of two angles is more than 180. Again, the answer is no. Second one also. Third one, two acute angles. Can a triangle have two acute angles? Yes, a triangle can have two acute angles. We can make a triangle like this, where one angle is 110, this is 30, and this is 40. So you can make a triangle like this where two angles are acute and one is obtuse. So you can see that this angle is obtuse, 110. This is an obtuse angle triangle. So this angle is obtuse, two angles are acute. So it is possible. So answer of the third one is yes. Two acute angles. Fourth one, all angles more than 60. Can a triangle have all the angles more than 60? More than 60?
No,
you
sir.
say? No, because the
No,
sum
sir.
will be, if all the three angles are more than 60, then the sum of all the three angles will be greater than 180.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you cannot have a triangle where the sum of all the three angles is greater than 180. The sum should be equal to 180 only, not even less than 180 and not more than 180. So it should be equal to 180. So again, not possible. All the angles less than 60. I think you all know the answer. We cannot have a triangle where all the angles are less than 60, because if all the angles are less than 60, then the sum of all the three angles will be less than 180. That means
180.
the sum will fall short of 180 degrees. So it will be less than 180. So therefore you cannot have a triangle like this. Answer is no. Last one, all angles equal to 60.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
we can have a triangle where all the angles are equal to 60. What type of triangle is that? Can you name the triangle?
Sir, equivalent triangle.
Equilateral triangle. When all the angles are equal to 60 degrees, these type of triangles are known as equilateral triangles. Got it? So yes, it is possible. Question 14, again you have to answer in yes or no. Can an Can an isosceles triangle be a right triangle? Isosceles triangle can be right triangles? Yes.
Yes, sir.
How? So there is a figure. This is the figure I have made. Here, this is a right triangle because this angle is 90. This is a right triangle because this angle is 90, and these two sides are equal. So because these two sides are equal, can we call it as an isosceles triangle also? Yes, it is isosceles as well as right triangle. So can you have an isosceles triangle be a right triangle? Can an isosceles triangle be a right triangle? Yes, we can have
Yes,
isosceles
sir.
right triangles. The answer is yes. Can a right triangle be a scalene triangle? Obviously, all the three sides different. So this is a right triangle where all the three sides are of different length. Suppose this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So it is possible to have a triangle where all the three sides are different.
Equal.
Right triangle where all the three sides are different. So this type of triangle is known as scalene right triangle. Scalene right triangle where all the three sides are different and one angle is 90. Third part, can a right triangle be an equilateral triangle? Can a right triangle be an equilateral triangle? The answer is no. Because if it is a right triangle, that means one angle is 90. And in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60. This is an equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal and all angles are 60. This is 60, this is 60, and this is also 60 degrees. So can you call this as a right triangle? No, because you cannot have a right angle in this. Can you make any angle 90 degrees in this? If you make an angle of 90 degrees, that means it will not remain an equilateral triangle. So the answer is no. Can an obtuse triangle be an isosceles triangle? Obtuse triangle can be isosceles? Yes. How? So this is an obtuse triangle. Obtuse कैसे? Because this angle is more than 180. Suppose this is 120 degrees. Sorry, it is more than 90. Because this angle is more than 90, so it is an obtuse triangle. You all know that angles which are more than 90 and less than 180 are known as obtuse angles. So this is an obtuse triangle, and it can have two equal sides also. So these two sides are equal. So it is an obtuse isosceles triangle. So it is possible to have, yes. Okay. Next, question number 15. Here you have to fill in the blanks. First part. A right triangle cannot have an dash angle. Obtuse angle.
Sir, the answer is obtuse.
Yeah, correct. Right triangle can never have an obtuse angle. False. Sorry, obtuse. Obtuse is the answer. The acute angles of a right triangle are dash.
Complementary. Complementary.
Complementary.
Complementary.
The acute angles of a right triangle.
Complementary.
Okay. The acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. Complementary क्यों बोला? Because the sum of the other two angles of a right triangle. एक एंगल तो 90 का होता है, यानी कि बाकी के दो एंगल्स का सम कितना होगा? वो भी 90 होगा. So that is why we call the other two acute angles as complementary angles. Answer is complementary. Third one, each acute angle of an isosceles triangle measures
45 degrees.
45.
isosceles right triangle 45 degrees. So if it is an isosceles right triangle like I made here just now, this is an isosceles right triangle. One angle 90 and two sides equal. This is an isosceles right triangle. In this, the two acute angles are always 45 degrees. 45 degrees each. Okay. The acute angles of an isosceles right triangle measures 45 degrees each. The next one, each angle of an equilateral triangle measures. What is the measure of each
60
angle?
degree, 60 degree.
60 degree.
Yeah, 60 degrees is the right
60
answer.
degrees.
So answer of fourth one is 60 degrees. Fifth, the side opposite the right angle of a right triangle is called
Sir, hypotenuse.
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 if it is a right triangle like this, suppose any right triangle is there, the side which is opposite to the right triangle, right angle, sorry. So this is suppose ABC, triangle ABC. The
Sir,
side,
I have completed.
the side which is opposite to the right angle, it is known as the side AC. So what is the name of this side AC? This is the longest side of the triangle. It is always known as hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. 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 Last part of the question. The sum of the lengths of the sides, sum of the lengths of the sides
Perimeter.
of the triangle is called as
Perimeter.
its perimeter. If I add all the
Sir,
three
I-
sides of a triangle,
Perimeter.
this side plus this side plus this side, all the three sides, the sum of the all the three sides of a triangle is known as its perimeter.
Perimeter.
Yeah, the formula of perimeter is sum of all sides. Okay. So
Sir, now we will start exercise 15th B.
before starting the exercise, I will explain you the exterior angle property of a triangle.
Okay, sir.
So let me, very soon you will have your half yearly exams. Sorry, not half yearly, UT2 exams, unit test 2. So we will start your revision in 1 or 2 days. Let us complete this second exercise also of this chapter. So in the second exercise, we will talk about exterior angle of a triangle. So before starting the exterior angle property, you have to learn what is exterior angle property now. But before starting with the property, let us first understand what is the meaning of exterior angle of a triangle.
Sir, in Maths UT2, chapter 7 and 9 are coming.
Yes. This chapter will not come in the UTs. So we will start the revision after 1 or 2 days. Don't worry.
Sir, UT2 will be in MCQ form or the PDF form?
Both objective and
Okay.
subjective. Both. Okay. So question number, sorry, before starting the questions, let us first understand what is an exterior angle of a triangle. So I am making a triangle here on the board. You have to tell me that in this triangle ABC, you might so. Mayank Yadav,
Yes, sir.
keep your mic off. Yeah. So in this triangle, we have to understand what is exterior angle of this triangle. So you all know what are interior angles. This angle is known as an interior angle. जो angle triangle के अंदर होगा, that is interior obviously. So there are three interior angles in a triangle. In this angle A, this is interior, and this is also interior angle. So there are three interior angles in a triangle. What is an exterior angle? Exterior angle का meaning क्या होता है? If I make an angle like this, suppose, so this is an exterior angle. Yes or no? This is exterior angle of the triangle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Got it or not?
Sir, interior is inside the triangle.
Interior is inside the triangle and exterior is outside the triangle. Actually, no, this is not an exterior angle. Let me tell you what is an exterior angle. Now, let us understand what is exterior angle of a triangle. So this is a triangle. Very important to understand what is an exterior angle. Only then you will be able to understand the property and you will be able to do the questions. So in this triangle, if I produce any one side of the triangle, this is triangle ABC, and I am producing the side BC of the triangle to point D. Suppose I have produced the side BC को आगे produce कर दिया up to point D. ठीक है? So now the angle made, the angle formed between the produced side and the other side of the triangle. इसके साथ में दूसरी साइड कौन सी है? AC है. BC के साथ दूसरी साइड कौन सी है? AC. So angle between this produced side and the other side is known as exterior angle. This is known as an exterior angle. Got it? Have you all understood what is an exterior angle?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
this is an exterior angle. If I simply make an angle like this is not exterior angle. Suppose if I make an angle like this is not exterior. Got it? Now what? Now how many exterior angles I can make this side of the triangle on the vertex C? How many exterior angles I can make? Can I make more than one exterior angles here on this side on the vertex C? See, all of you, if I produce instead of producing the side BC, if I produce the side AC, I'm producing the side AC. AC को produce कर दिया मैंने up to point E. Produce AC to E. Now the angle formed between the produced side and the other side, this side. This is also an exterior angle. Am I right or not? Yeah. Or not? This is also an exterior angle. I can produce the side AC also. If I produce the side AC and the angle formed between the produced side and the other side of the triangle from this vertex is known as the exterior angle. So this is also an exterior angle. Yes or no? क्या आंसर नहीं करोगे? Is this an exterior angle or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these two both are exterior angles, but the thing is that both are equal to each other. This and this, the two angles are equal to each other. Can you tell me why? Why the two angles are equal to each other? Why this angle and this angle are equal to each other? Because they are vertically opposite angles. ये दोनों vertically opposite हैं या नहीं है? Am I right? These are vertically opposite angles. So these two angles, agar if on the same vertex, if I draw two exterior angles, then the two exterior angles are equal to each other. So these two exterior angles are always equal to each other. When I say make an exterior angle on the same vertex, two exterior angles on the same vertex, then the two exterior angles are always equal to each other, because they form vertically opposite angles. Now, is this an exterior angle? Is this an exterior angle? This one, angle DCE. ये भी तो exterior है. And yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is not an
Yes,
exterior
sir.
angle. ये exterior angle नहीं है. This is not counted as an exterior angle because ये angle दोनों produced side के बीच में बना रहे हैं. मैंने AC को प्रोड्यूस करा एंड मैंने BC को प्रोड्यूस करा. दोनों के बीच में जो दोनों साइड्स को प्रोड्यूस करने के बाद जो एंगल बना है, दैट एंगल इज नॉट नोन एज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. एक्सटीरियर एंगल कब बनता है? जब एक साइड को प्रोड्यूस करके दूसरी साइड के साथ एंगल बनता है विदाउट प्रोड्यूसिंग इट, then the angle is known as exterior angle. So these two are exterior angles, but this is not an exterior angle. And because these two exterior, तो ये तो है नहीं, इसे तो हटाएंगे नहीं यहाँ से. Okay, now one more thing. Because these two exterior angles are same, it is counted as one. So this is only one exterior angle because they are same. तो इनको दो अलग-अलग angles नहीं करेंगे. This is only one angle. Okay, so one angle
Okay,
on
sir.
one side of the triangle. एक side में एक angle हो गया. What about on the other vertices? Can we make more angles on the other vertices of the triangle? Yes, if I produce the side AB
Sir.
like this, so I will get another exterior angle. This is also an exterior angle. And if I produce the side CA, CA को भी produce कर देता हूँ, then I get another exterior angle. So there are three exterior angles in a triangle. Got it? Now have you all understood what are exterior angles? 1, 2, 3. Three exterior angles are there. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So now now let us study what is the property related to the exterior angle. So you all can write down the heading exterior angle property of a triangle.
Sir.
We are studying the chapter properties of triangles. So this is another property of a triangle, exterior angle property of a triangle. Very important. Exterior angle property. What is the property? For the property, you will have to make a triangle. Make a scalene triangle. Scalene. I hope you all know how to make make a scalene triangle. So like this, make a triangle. And then you all know now that this is an exterior angle. So let us name this angle as angle 3. Okay, angle 4. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is your angle 3. We are naming the angles. Angle 1, 2, 3. And the fourth one, the exterior angle. It is outside the triangle. So what is the property related to the exterior angle? The exterior angle of a triangle, you all will write down in your copies. I am telling you a statement. It is there in the book also on page number 184. Page number 184. At the right bottom, on page number 184, at the bottom of the page, exterior angle property of a triangle. You can see exterior angle property of a triangle. Two headings are there. First is exterior and interior opposite angles. And the second thing is exterior angle property of a triangle. So you have to see exterior angle property of the triangle, second one. उसमें जो statement लिखा है theorem, You all can see theorem. Can you all see theorem? So this statement you have to write down. So note down. If a side of
Okay,
a
sir.
triangle, if a side of a triangle if a side of a triangle is produced then the exterior angle is produced then the exterior angle so formed then the exterior angle so formed is equal to then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of 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 the two interior sum of the two TWO2 sum of the two interior opposite angles sum of the two interior opposite angles. Written, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let us understand what is the property. You all have written this statement. Meaning क्या है इसका? इसका meaning ये है if you may produce a side of the triangle and you will see that an exterior angle will be formed. So this is your exterior angle, angle 4. This is the exterior angle, and the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior angles. लेकिन कौन से वाले interior angle? Opposite interior angles. Opposite. So this angle is not opposite to this. Angle 4 के opposite वाला ये angle नहीं है. ये तो इसके साथ में है. Adjacent है. These are adjacent angles. You all know what are adjacent angles. So these are adjacent angles. So ये opposite नहीं हुआ. Angle 4 के opposite angles कौन से? Angle 1 and angle 2. So the exterior angle, angle 4, is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. That means angle 1 plus angle 2. So you can write. So angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. This is the property. Hamesha. Got it, all of you? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Go down in your copies.
Anybody please?
What?
Anybody please show the copy in the camera?
Why? What happened? Urvashi?
Sir, I have. Please wait, sir.
Oh God.
What happened?
Oh my God.
Yes, any problem? Urvashi?
Sir, I have written only this one.
Now,
Data date sheet मिली.
You all have understood this. Now what? Keep your mic off. Now don't write it in your copies. This is just to see whether you have understood or not. If I produce the side AB को produce कर दिया मैंने. Now this angle is your exterior angle, angle 5. Can you tell me angle 5 is equal to the sum of which two angles? Angle 5 कौन से दो angles के sum के equal होगा? Can you tell me? Angle 5 is equal to the sum of which two angles? Yes, answer. Angle 5 is equal
What
to
happened, sir?
sum of angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 plus angle 3 because angle 5 और angle 2 ये दोनों opposite angles नहीं है. Angle 5 के opposite वाले angles हैं angle 1 and angle 3. So opposite interior angles are angle 1 and angle 3. So if you add these two, you will get angle 5. So this is the property. Got it? Understood the property, all of you? Okay, so now the meeting is about to end. We will continue.